Action.
Hey guys, welcome back. I am doing a different type of video today. I'm going to do an unboxing of 2 sets of travel bags that me and my boyfriend got for our upcoming trip to Colorado. We found this company on Instagram. It just came up, whenever we were scrolling through our feed. We clicked on it and we liked their products. We tried to research to see if other people had done reviews, and there weren't very many at all. So I thought I would unbox this for you guys and give a little review. So this company donates 10% of every purchase to Project Build On, which is an organization that helps the educational crisis in underdeveloped countries. So we ordered this on January 20th and today is February 5th. We got it February 4th. So it did take a while to get them, but only because they lost our package at UPS. But Naeem from Pax Project, he had already emailed me asking if I liked the products. And I was like, wait, what? We haven't even gotten them. So he contacted UPS and was able to find out that they lost our package, and he sent just a whole new order over to us, and then we got it in like 3 to 4 days. So they're very responsive and just responsible for their products. Okay, so I'm ready to unbox this beautiful black box. It comes in a really nice box and it's huge, as you can see. Gotta be careful, I'm using a very sharp knife. This is what it comes in. It smells like crawfish. And it's so much easier if you go through Instagram to find the set, because if you go on their website, it's not as easy to find a whole set. So we got the colors black and gold. This is the backpack. It has a little pocket in the front, like any normal backpack. And then the inside is really cute. It has a nice design. Oh, and then it's furry. It's super furry in here, like for your laptop. And it'll keep it safe with this cushion. So this is the black and gold one, and the backpack is free if you get the set with the duffel and the backpack. The Mason backpack is what's free. So this is the duffel that goes with the black and gold. Cute. It's nice, guys, and this leather feels really expensive and just really durable. I wonder if it has the same design inside. It does. The same on the inside like the backpack. Oh, and it just comes with the strap so that you can carry it on your shoulder. So it's a really nice matching set so you can look stylish at the airport and while you're traveling. We plan on putting all of the electronics in the backpack. And this black set is for my boyfriend, and then I got one that's called Luxe Tan. There's a lot more colors on the website and on their Instagram. You can see them, and they have models that, model the backpack, so it's easy to see just how big they will be compared to you, to your size. So this is my set. I got the Luxe Tan. This is beautiful. I really love it. And they have this in black too. I really wanted the black one, but they didn't have that one in a set, but maybe they do now. It was sold out. But it's the same inside as the other one. furry too. This is really nice. I'm impressed. And it comes with a little dog tag with Pax on it. Super cute. I'm gonna try it on to see this size. This is gonna look so cute. So I'm 5'2". I'm 5'3". 5'3". And it's nice. Very comfortable. Very cute. Now let's see the duffel in Luxe Tan. Ooh, also very beautiful. So mine have the silver accents and the black one has gold. Silver on the bottom, yeah. The black one has the gold ones. Again, just like the other one, they're really nice. Good strap. A little shoulder pad. I like to carry mine on my shoulder. It's gonna look different once I have things in it. But these are gonna be our carry-ons and our personal items. So as of right now, I do 10 out of 10 recommend these travel sets. They're beautiful, they feel really nice. So for pricing, it's $139.99 for a set. It says on there whenever you purchase it that you're just buying the duffel and then you get the free Mason backpack. So it's the Mercer duffel and then the Mason backpack. And so for these two sets, we paid $251.99, but that was because of the Honey app that we have on our browser. It always pulls up if it has any coupon codes. So it said that it had like 7 and you know, it like runs through them. And one of them worked, I think for 10% off coupon, right? Would that be 10%? I think it was like 10% off. So definitely download the Honey app. It helps on everything. It helped on a lot of things that we've ordered. So remember that it's cheaper if you go through their Instagram. So make sure that you go to Pax Project on Instagram and look at their products, and then whenever there's a set, you can just click on that one and it takes you right to the link to order. I really like this one, and in black it would have been beautiful too. And my boyfriend really likes his set, so I'm excited to travel with these, excited to take cute pictures in them. But that's it, guys. I really hope you guys take a look at these products because they're beautiful. In case you need a new travel set, it's always cute to be matching your duffel and your backpack. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.